Hey everybody, Scott here. Just ordered this surface cleaner for my pressure washer. So here's where the wand attaches right here. This is a 12 inches, you can see right there, with Max 2500 PSI. I don't have a super powerful pressure washer, just a simple little electric one. Here's your instructions, so if you want to read that before you get started, you can. Right there. And then here's the bottom side. So there's that nozzle right there, and then right here is where your water sprays out. This turns as you use your pressure washer, and then here's the brushes right here. So this part spins and sprays the water out and stuff. So just pretty simple little basic surface cleaner for my pressure washer that I'm getting ready to use here tonight, because it's about 80 degrees here in North Carolina. So gonna clean a patio.